Hey, we just wanted to say a big thank you to Collins Brothers Moving Corporation out of New York. They had rented a shuttle from us in Asheville, North Carolina. They had rented a U-Haul shuttle. They had rented a U-Haul truck to shuttle stuff in the mountains of North Carolina. Sometimes you have to have a shuttle truck. And anyone using a moving truck or coming to Asheville and needing a shuttle, like Alaskan van lines, please give us a call. We have a U-Haul dealership, family owned, right here in Asheville, and got great parking. You see this truck, it's a great parking area for him to do his shuttle. Our neighbors have a space up the road that let us, we do some donating to let them use the parking area up the street. But again, Collins Brothers Moving Corporation out of, I'm hoping pronounce this right, Larchmont, New York. Thanks again for renting from us. Anytime you're anywhere in the United States, we would be honored and really appreciate it if you would call us to make your reservation. We get paid on commission and would be honored to make reservations for you anywhere in the country. Hope everything goes well. Thanks again.